Hello my people, how una dey? Una welcome to this channel, Pidgin Bible Talk. For this place, we go break down the words of God into simple Pidgin English wey everybody go understand and enjoy. The Bible na book wey get power, but e no suppose to hard for us to understand. That na why for this channel, we go read am, we go explain am, and then come break am down for better understanding inside our language, Pidgin English. Whether na Old Testament or New Testament, we go read am clear, explain wetin e mean, and help you sabi how to use am for your life. No forget to subscribe, comment and share so that this word of God wey we dey explain for Pidgin English go reach a lot of people. Together we go grow, we go learn, and we go waka this Christian journey together as one family.